Hi guys, so the question which we are going to do today is Rakhsh Revival. Okay, so Rustam loyal horse Rakhsh has seen better days. Once powerful and fast, Rakhsh has grown weaker over time, struggling to even move. Rustam worries that if too many parts of Raksh's body lose strength at once, Raksh might stop entirely. To keep its companion going, Rustam decided to strengthen Raksh bit by bit, so no part of his body is too frail for too long. Okay, imagine Raksh's body is a line of spots represented by a binary string S of length and where 0 means a weak spot and 1 means a strong one. Okay. Rustam's goal is to make sure that no interval of m consecutive spots is entirely weak, all zeros. Okay. Remember this line, guys. Okay. Rustam's goal is to make sure no interval of m consecutive spots is entirely weak, all zeros. Okay. Luckily, Rustam had a special ability called Timar, inherited from his mother Rubade at birth. With Timar, he can select any segment of length k and instantly strengthen all of it. Okay, changing average character in that segment to 1. Okay, the challenge to figure out minimum number of operations Rustam need to use Timar to keep Raksh moving, ensuring there are no consecutive entirely weak spots of length m. Okay guys, so sorry, this is the test cases. The first line contained three numbers n, m, k. Okay. Second line contain second line of each test case contain a binary string s of n characters. Okay. It is guaranteed that the sum of n over all the test cases does not exceed 2.10 to the power 5. Okay. For each test case output, the minimum number of times Rustam need to use Timar to keep Raksh moving, assuring there is no consecutive entirely weak spot of length m. Okay. So yeah, like for this, in the first test case we should apply on an operation on each 0. Okay, then so the answer is coming to in the second it to okay, just like wait a second, in second test case s is already okay, as you can see. Okay, because there is no consecutive zeros, so yeah, and also 5 2 1. Okay, in the third test case we can perform operation of interval 3 and 4, as you can see, 3 and 4. Okay, it will look something like this. Okay, so guys, let's write the code. Okay, to make sure it is visible to you guys, let's write something like hash include in domain it should be something like, come on int t while t, then int n comma m comma k comma n is equal to a comma last is equal to -1. Okay, string as seen k as okay. For int I is equal to 0, come on, less than I is less than equal to n minus m. Okay, then if si, come on, I is less than equal to last, then it should look something like I increment then continue. Okay, let's go for int j is equal to I while j is less than I plus m, and as j is greater than last, j will increment. Okay, if j is less than I plus 1, I is equal to j plus 1 continue. Okay, then yeah, it should work. And then last, start the race min between n minus 1 comma I plus m plus k minus 2, ans increment I is equal to last I plus 1. Okay, see out ans. Let's run this code. So yeah, there are a lot of errors. Let's check it out first. I mean, come on, first remove this. Now run the code. Yeah, there are errors. First is in line number 8. Okay, we haven't defined what I can say a. Okay, so yeah, I mean it is ans no, sorry, 0. Then last, it compiles successfully. Now let's execute the test cases. So yeah guys, I mean, wait a second. Two zero zero. Why there are so many zeros? In what case? In second case, I think, yeah. One comma. Okay, it's correct. There may be some issue, but yeah, no, yeah, it's correct, I think. 2 0 then 1. Okay, sorry, it's also an input. I thought it was an output, that's why. So yeah, it's also correct. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.